And today I'm on the final one, so Pikaswaps. So this tool allows you to replace objects within a video with anything that you can pretty much think of. So I gave this one a try, and the one that I started off with, I have an image of this young gentleman dancing, and then I uploaded an image of the Joker. So I have a video, of the dancer. This is just a video that I got from Canva, and then I have a picture of the Joker, Joaquin Phoenix Joker, and what I want to try to do is to turn the dancer into the Joker, so we see the Joker dancing and doing the same moves in the video. So the prompt that I used here was replace dancer in video with the Joker in uploaded image. I've tended to try to be more specific with Pika, telling it, what I want it to do with the inputs that I give it in terms of images and video. So I've tended now to kind of specify. And remember, I've been saying in my videos, I think as AI develops, I think one of the things where we are going to have to develop is our communication and our language skills and our kind of descriptive qualities, And so I did this. So let me just show you what it came up with. It came up with the following. So as you can see, a nice video there of the Joker doing similar moves to the guy in the video. So that's how you would basically transform a person in a video into something else. So then I went on and I tried some other ones. Then I wanted to do ones where I've seen other people transforming, little objects within a video into something else. So then I did this one with a Pixar character being dipped in sushi. Again, I got the video from Canva. Excuse me. I got the video from Canva, and then the prompt that I used for this one was replace sushi with Pixar character, and then I added some descriptive qualities. I said replace sushi with Pixar character being picked up by chopsticks and looking slightly worried. So them are the two that I did with Pikaswaps. What I couldn't do was change the background. I need to try that again. I don't know if I can just change the background in Pikaswaps. Let me know if you can do that. As I said, I'm new to all this. I'm just a guy trying to learn AI. And Pikaswaps is really, really cool, really, really fun to use. And you can see the implications for a tool like this, right? If you're into marketing and you've got a business and stuff, then you could really put, your product into any video essentially, and create some kind of advert for it. So the implications and the use is huge. What I will say is that there's still a lot of creativity that is needed with AI. You can't rely on just abandoning your imagination essentially, because remember, this is just a tool, and you've got to go out there now and really come up with concepts and stories. And it's all well me doing something like this, right, with the Pixar character being replaced by sushi, or the sushi character being replaced by a Pixar character, or the Joker dancing instead of the guy. But what am I going to do with it? What's the messaging going to be if I was going to do this with a client, for example, and adapt the tools to meet a specific need or a specific message? So that's Pikaswaps there. Thank you for watching, and please check out my other videos. I'm going to be using other AI tools, and just as I learn, I thought I'd just document my journey. I am planning on creating some longer form videos where I will integrate other tools, like Adobe Premiere and do other kinds of transitions and try to create some stories. So as you can see, I've been pretty busy with Pika, but yeah, fantastic tool, and I think it's only going to get better and better. So yeah, do check out my other videos, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.